Thanks for joining me for this tutorial to learn how to use Alpine Elementary School's eBooks. Let's start at the Lookup Station online catalog. Search from here or use Destiny Quest. One way to find books is as you are searching for books. When I type dolphins in the search box, we see the results. The red book icon shows that this is a print book. The blue book icon with an E on it means it is an ebook. Click on the ebook title. Notice I can open the book right from here. This takes us to the MackinVIA login page. The other way to find ebooks is to type MackinVIA in a web browser. When you do that, you may need to enter the school name. As you start typing it in, it will give you choices, so you can click on Our School as soon as it pops up. Use the guest name Alpine and our password. If you don't know the password, please talk to the librarian. Log in. MackinVIA works with screen readers and other assistive technology. You can now browse through the 69 books Alpine currently has in MackinVIA. Notice that some books are audiobooks you can listen to. Use the arrow at the top or bottom of the page to see more. There is a search box at the top. Let's type in dolphins again. Here's the book we saw in Destiny. Click on More Info to see information like the topics and reading level for this book. As a guest, you can open it now. We will talk about ebook checkout later in this tutorial. Here is the book. It opens in another tab. To begin reading, click on the arrow on the right side. That is all you really need to do to read the book, but there is so much more to an ebook. Notice the toolbar at the bottom of the page. The eye gives us information about the book. The next icon is the table of contents. Use the arrows to scroll through to see what information is in the book. The contents link directly to the page. The Baby Dolphins link opens to page 14. Ah, baby dolphins. The next icon is for thumbnails of the pictures in the book. They are also links to pages. The play button will play audio if the book has that feature. This one doesn't. Next is the view icon to toggle between one-page or two-page view. The printer icon can be used to print pages if available. The next 5 buttons change the size of the pages, so you can adjust it to best fit your viewing device. Try them out to see what works best for you. The page tools in the middle of the toolbar let you go to the very beginning, the very end, go back one page, go forward one page, or type a number directly into the box. A group of dolphins is called a pod. At the top of the page, the Cite button gives you exactly what you need to cite your source for research. We use MLA, so make sure it is on that tab. You can write that information in your bibliography or click on Copy to Clipboard and then paste it into a document. The magnifying glass is a search tool. Let's see if the book talks about a pod in more than one place. The results are links to all the pages with that search term. At the end of the book are useful nonfiction features. Words to Know is a glossary, and there are additional resources you might be interested in using. The websites are links that will open up in another tab. At the end, of course, is the index. Let's try the bookmark feature. It says we have to log in to use the bookmark. We will now look at how to create your login in the backpack. Click on Close Book to exit. You can now close this tab. Click Login. For first-time use, click on Register. Type in your school username and password. I am using a fake student name to show you how it works. Type in the password again to confirm. Do not put in an email. Then type in your name. And click Save. When you have a username, you can log in directly from the MackinVIA page the next time you want an ebook. Now that you have a backpack, you can do even more with the eBooks. You can check out a book for up to 3 weeks. It will now show up in your backpack under My Checkouts. So you can get to it quickly the next time you log in. If you need it longer, click Renew. If you really like it and might want to read it again, add it to your favorites. When you are done reading it, click on Return. It will remain in your favorites if you added it to your list. When you are logged in, use the toolbar on the left to view all titles, browse only ebooks or audiobooks, use an advanced search, or to view categories. There are several categories. Let's browse technology and transportation and go to this book about electricity. With a login, you can also use more features in an ebook. Select a word by clicking on it and several options pop up. You can add a note and save. The word is now highlighted and a note icon appears on the page. To find out what a word means, select it and click on Dictionary. The red dots at the end of a selection allow you to expand the selection. The highlight button gives several options for a highlight color, underline, undo markings, and add a note from here. Click on Read here.
Electricity isn't created.
Or on the toolbar below to listen if that feature is available. This search tool works like the magnifying glass. You can now bookmark a page. The notebook icon at the top holds your bookmarks and notes. The next time you open a book, any notes or bookmarks you have added will be there for you to use again. The notebook is accessible in the backpack. It shows the books that you have marked. If you click on the book cover, your notes show up. When you are done, click on Log Out. Thank you for learning how to use our eBooks. Happy reading!